pbskids.id logo bloopers. Cut. Dot. Why did you break the camera? Oh, sorry about that. I think I ran too fast and I think I broke the camera. Okay, let's get a new camera. Once we do that, let's have another take. Take 2. Cut. This is not Nickelodeon Kids video, and I heard the Nickelodeon light bulb sound with the kids laughing in the background. It's supposed to say PBS Kids, not Nickelodeon. Also, the colors should be normal. Sorry about that. That's good. Take 3. Cut. This is not Cartoon Network Kids video. This is PBS Kids video. Also, the colors should be normal and the speed should be normal. Sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take 4. Cut. The image is not supposed to be mirrored. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's take again. Take 6. Cut. Dot, you can't be Homer Simpson. You're not supposed to say doubt. You're supposed to say, you're not supposed to say anything. And the color's not supposed to be yellow. It's supposed to be green. Oh, sorry about that. Let's go. Let's try it again. Take. All right. What was that? I don't know what that was. Well, who made that noise?
I did.
Oh no, not the Class Geek Super Robots. What are you doing here? Well, Rugrats and All Going On isn't here because it's only for babies. So get out of here. Okay, now that the Class Geek Super Robot's gone, let's try again. Take. Cut. The image is not supposed to be grayscale. It's supposed to be green. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take number 9. Cut. The image is not supposed to be red. It's supposed to be normal. Oops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's try again. Take a look.
Whoa, okay, cut. Piggy coupon.
Whoa, okay, cut. Eric, Boris, stop talking. Eric Coupon, what are you doing in this studio?
What are you doing in here? Oops. I'm very sorry. I wanted to show them how smart I am and how crazy I am and how handsome I am. I wanted them to like me. I'm such a Nintendo character, you know. Yes.
Yes, you are a Nintendo Switch character, so get out of the studio. Once this doofus leaves, let's have another shake. Shake? I meant shot. I said shake. Let's just take 12. Cut. The camera is not supposed to knock down. You're not supposed to use Bandicam. Alright, take number 13. Cut. Why did the camera just knock down when Dot was about to point? Sorry about that. That's good. Last chance. Screw up again, you're fired. Good job.